Here's the General Electric dishwasher here. Open it up. He's pretty clean in here. That's what I would expect anyway. You see the model this is GDF530PGM0WW. Let's close that. Use your controls for it. Has a difference kind of colorful lighting than what I usually see. This one doesn't have the sound beeps, unfortunately, but it's whatever. I'll hold the control lock 3 seconds. You hold these 2 buttons right there, and that lights up the control is locked. So you can't do nothing. But if you hold those for 3 more seconds, and then the light will turn off, you can do stuff again. But anyway, I think I want to show this, so this is it.